I'm not subbing out the kick returner. I do not want my running backs to get hurt.
Teams to press a little bit because they're trying so hard to keep this home crowd in the game, and they've been waiting all week, and they're so excited. Sometimes you force a play. Just let the play naturally come to you and react to it. So we'll see if this team playing at home jumps the gun a little bit, or if they just let the game come to them. Well, the question now is, how will they respond after losing a couple on that run?
From their own 22-yard line. Second down. Complete, brought down.
Should throw that to B.
So it's complete, but they didn't get much there.
And that's because the defense was just waiting on it, and they attacked. The quarterback should have found somebody else downfield.
Yep, should have thrown that to B.
Defensive coordinator anticipating this 5-wide set, and he comes in with his dime package.
Wide open.
Quick strike to the receiver, and they make the stop.
I don't think Baylor's got a defense at all. Their offense is good, though. I got to score.
He sure does, and he doesn't disappoint either. Great athletic ability.
Empty backfield, quarterback in the gun. 5 wide receivers.
Let's get Squeaks going. Let's get Squeaks. Oh, shit, that's the wrong play.
Tackled at the 32-yard line.
This guy has that innate ability to get just enough distance from a defender to make a completion possible. You don't see it from every receiver, but this guy's got it.
From the 32-yard line, it's first down. Makes
Squeaks.
the catch and look out. Tackle made at the 25-yard line.
FSU lost to Virginia. It's brutal for my scheduling. That means I have no ranked wins as of right now. I think I have some ranked opponents coming up, though.
Second and 3 coming up here. Ball on the 25.
Squeaks. Someone make a go. Someone make a block. Jesus Christ.
Good gain on the pass to the running back.
This young man is becoming more and more part of this passing game. He does a great job of making guys miss after the catch.
This has been an electric drive. Just walking down the field, touchdown. Oh.
And down he goes at the 2-yard line.
My offense is humming again. Humming again.
Here's the 8th play of the series.
This is the defense they're running right now? Oh, shit.
They run left, and he'll lose yardage.
Okay. Okay. I didn't realize that was second down either. Fuck. Okay. Fine.
They'll line it up again on 3rd down. Touchdown.
Squeaks. Squeaks, baby.
He tossed to his reliable running back who made the play for the score.
No way the defense could have properly defended that one. It was too well.
It's 3rd down, a yard for the first down. Ball on their own 34. He's taken down at about the 37-yard line. First down.
Shit, I'm stuck on the field now.
Catches it, and he's immediately tackled behind the line.
Third and 21. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat.
Third and long here. They hope to convert another one and keep this drive going.
Joe Burrow. See, the haters have nothing better to do today.
Going long.
Oh my God, what are
He
you
hauls
doing?
it in. To the 20. Tackle at the 14.
I suck at defense. Third and 21, I should have probably not blitzed. Third and 21, I shouldn't have blitzed. In retrospect, that was a stupid thing. I was just kind of doing my thing, running the same play over and over.
McKnight
Hand
gains
up.
around 3
Hand
yards on the
up.
run.
Hand up. That was on me. I just love the Joe Burrow play.
Looking for 6, and he got it. Touchdown. I don't think either team has a clear advantage so far. Let's see if they can make some plays and get a little separation.
They'll spread the field here. Let's see what the defense does with a 5-wide outlook.
Oh my God. Easy. Swift.
Makes the catch. And he's
Air
taken
Dugs.
down around
Air
the
it out.
10-yard line.
Air it
Boy,
out.
he fire that baby down the field.
There aren't too many quarterbacks in the country who can make that throw. And the ones that can are playing on Sunday.
So the big gain resulting from the pass play leaves us with a
I
first
gotta
and
get
10.
Swift involved more. He's good. Squeaks.
Complete.
Oh.
He's got room.
Oh.
He's tackled right around the 4-yard line.
That'll make it 2nd and 4.
Shit! Throw that!
Perfect call by the defensive coordinator. He
Fuck.
put just the right amount of
Oh
pressure
my
through it.
God, you guys are the worst. I don't change the sliders. I haven't changed the sliders since the first fucking time you all bitch like little bitches. You're being little bitches about it. We need self-policing chat. If you see someone talking about sliders, call them a bitch. Call them a bitch.
Right direction, and it seemed to confuse the offense.
So that sack will back them up a little now. They're looking at a difficult 3rd and 13. They'll line up with 5 wide receivers. Here comes the
Fuck.
pressure, and they get
Fuck,
the
that was
sack.
so
I think
bad.
this defensive end is doing a great job of getting after the quarterback. Not only
Okay,
the sack in this game,
okay.
but it seems like the
Set to resume action here in quarter number 2. Deadlocked after the first 15 minutes.
Fuck!
Away, and he missed it right. No good.
You know, for a second there, I thought it might hook back, but it just kept slicing to
God
the right.
damn
It's
it.
a tough break.
What was that? I guess I can't kick. Okay, now this is starting to make me a little nervous. Now this is feeling trap game-ish. Okay, alright, alright. Ah, fuck.
Washington has the ball all teed up, and he's ready to kick this one off. He's to the 20. And he's tackled at the 33-yard line. In a game that's this close, you can't afford to waste possessions. Quarterback all by himself in the backfield with 5 wideouts. Throws it deep. He's got it. Touchdown
That's open
saving
all day.
tackle, but it leaves him with a 1st and goal.
That makes it 1st and goal.
That is open all day. I'm going to get Swift so many yards. I just have to get it in the end zone.
It's 1st down, and they'll be
Did that
looking
last
for 6 points here.
Fuck.
The halfback just couldn't get back to the line of scrimmage. Loss of 1.
Loss of 1 yard on the play. That brings up 2nd and goal.
It's second and goal. Ball on the 8-yard line. Throws to
Easy.
the halfback. Touchdown.
Third and 4, Joe Burrow play. With a
About 4
press.
yards away here on third down. And that tackle very well could have saved a touchdown.
Ball gain of 9 yards. First down.
Next game, I won't play first half defense. I'm fine with that. I think defense is
They'll bring him
stupid.
down at the 39-yard line. So the quarterback keeps it on the option, but he'll lose a yard.
That'll bring up second and 11.
I hate defense.
And they'll look to convert here on another third down.
Keep it in front of you, boys. Screen, screen. We got it. We got it. We got it.
And they
No
make the
problem.
stop around the 40-yard line.
Well, that's one of those plays where the
We
wide
got it.
receiver
We
is
got it.
expected to
Maryland's
make something
beating
happen
FSU
after the
too?
reception, but the
No.
defense wasn't giving
Dude,
up
this
anything.
FSU's gonna be my worst win.
Lewis is back deep to return.
Baylor gets the ball at half, right?
He goes out of bounds at the 20.
Out of bounds at the 20-yard line.
I'm gonna keep running 4 verts till they stop it. They can't stop TJ Swift.
6 points and a pretty display
Shit,
of
I did
passing
it. I
was the
should've done on the
result
other
of their
side.
last drive. Kirk, do you expect the defense to take a different approach here?
When this quarterback is on, he is on. It already seems like whatever this defense is trying just isn't working. But maybe if they add just a little bit more pressure, then they might be able to force him into a mistake.
They spread the field in the gun with 5 wide receivers.
Fuck.
They'll wrestle him down in the
Don't
backfield.
run the ball.
Call it a loss of 3 yards on the play. That brings up second and 13.
It's second and 13. Ball on the 36-yard line.
Here we go. Red 7. Kill. Number 3.
Keep on your feet,
Picks him up
dude.
about 3 yards with the catch.
Stay on your feet.
Dog 4. Orange check. Dance.
That's a great hot route by me. That was my hot
That
route.
was a good pass and catch there, but still not enough for the first down.
That's not an easy conversion here on third down for the offense. All the defense has to do is stay back, keep everything in front of them, come up and make a tackle.
It's 4th down, and the offense is getting set to go for it. Short yardage situation, and the offense is in the jumbo package. He makes it out to midfield.
I gotta watch the clock. Clock. No, that was a bad pass. I meant to throw it to the fucking
This is
outside.
a very well-coached defense.
Oh, that was a
Get their
bad
hands
pass.
up
That
in
was a
the air
bad pass.
and
That was
to
a
try
bad
to knock
pass. That was
down
a bad
passes.
pass. I meant to throw it outside. Just
Second down
totally
and
fucking
10
hit
to
the
go.
wrong button.
Ball on
I have
the
at least 2 of
50-yard
those every single
line.
game.
In the shotgun and 5 wideouts. Fires quick out to the
Should've thrown a
receiver. He
B.
can't make the grab.
Here's a case
Should've
of a
thrown a B.
quarterback so eager to make a play that he failed to see the danger of that attempt and nearly gave the ball away.
This is the 8th play of this drive.
4 down. Mike 13.
The sub package in there defensively in this 5 wide receiver set. He lets it fly.
Yep. No.
By the freshman.
What? That didn't get there? Fuck. All right, this is a game. Fuck,
And an
this is a
even
game.
nicer vertical.
Oh, yeah, this guy's an athlete. There's no throwing
shouldn't
over this
throw
guy's
left.
head. He'll go up and get it.
The Red Raiders will use their first time out of the half. So it's third down now, and they're going to need about 4. Tackled after decent pickup. From their own 23-yard line. Third down.
Fuck it, I'll blitz. 3rd and 12. Not actually blitzing.
He wants it all.
What?
Tackle made right around the 42-yard line.
Ah!
Cross formation down at the 42-yard line. First down.
Get on the ball, get on the ball, get on the ball.
That was bullshit.
Gets to about
What the hell was
40-yard
that?
line.
Center sneak?
That makes it second and 10.
I don't want to play defense. Defense
So we're looking
sucks.
at another third down here.
Check three.
What?
Heads a tackler.
What?
And he's tackled at the 30-yard line.
This
What just
kind of
happened?
execution from an offense can really affect the defense and their psyche. That's the second
What
time
just
on this
happened?
drive alone they've been able to convert on a third down. This defense has got to be able to kind of gather themselves and try to find some confidence. And somebody on that defense has got to be able to make a play to slow this offense down.
And
Fumble,
down he goes
bitch.
at about the 21.
Gain of 9 on the play.
That was insane.
That'll make it second and inches.
On the ball, on the ball.
I don't like defense.
And
There
they
we
got to
go.
him before he could get back to the line.
There we go.
That's a loss of 3 yards on the play.
My defense sucks.
That'll bring up third and 4.
So far this drive, the defense has been unable to stop them on third down. Pass out to the tight end, but it's incomplete.
Well, that's a great play here by the defense, getting pressure on the quarterback, and the result
Great
is a bad
defense
throw.
stop.
These are the kind of plays that
'Cause
can
my
really
kid's sleeping. It's
impact
nap
the football
time,
game
dude.
because the defense can build some confidence after getting after a quarterback like that.
Baylor is looking to go up by 3.
Miss this bitch.
The kick is up. It's got the distance. And he nails the long field goal.
That one looked like cake for
I
this
feel
kid.
great about
Chalked
this
up
game.
3 points for the
Kind of
offense.
overlooked Baylor, I'll be honest.
17-14. Throws falling back and finds his man.
Where's my blocking?
At the 40-yard line. So it's complete, but they didn't get much there.
And that's because the defense was just waiting on it, and they attacked. The quarterback should have found somebody else downfield.
Ricky
That's gonna be
Squeaks,
right
go.
for the distance.
Oh, I was trying to juke
Down
that
at
guy.
the 33.
That makes it first and 10.
From the 33-yard line. First down.
What a catch.
Completion
What a
gives him
read.
over
What a
300
catch.
yards through the air.
He's been able to get up and down the field all day today, moving consistently and effectively.
And it's not too often you get a game like this from your quarterback, but it doesn't matter because these guys are still losing in the game. There's a strike
Pick it.
complete.
Go
And they'll
backwards,
bring him
dude.
down behind
Good
the
job,
line.
you idiot.
That brings up second and
brings up a 2nd and goal. Ball on the 10. Fires quickly.
Let's go,
Touchdown.
Dugs. Let's go, Dugs.
He passed.
Fuck, they're going for this.
So they're going to go for it here.
They're definitely going to get this. They're definitely going to get this. Fuck, I left that guy
Nice
wide
grab on the
open.
play.
I can't call
And
defense.
he's
I
taken
can't call
down to the
defense.
12-yard line.
That's a gain of 26 on the play. First down.
Get to the ball. Get to the ball. Get to the ball.
I had no confidence. I got no confidence. I'm stuck on defense, and I hate playing defense. I'm so bad at defense.
Quick strike, and he drops it. And a great job that time on defense.
Good job here, but let me tell you something. That wideout was left out to dry that time.
This is the 12th play of this drive.
Check 3. Check 26. Check 26.
Got to be careful of a pass play with this defense.
Fuck!
Touchdown, Baylor. Back to the action here. Tight ball game in the 4th quarter.
4 down. 4 down. Mike 13. Mike 13. On the red. Go.
Oh, what a
Gets it out to
catch.
his
That was a
receiver in
user
hurry.
catch.
He's taken
I fucking
down at the
controlled him.
47.
That was a risky throw. Very risky throw.
We've got a 1st and 10. Ball in their own 47. They come out in a 5-wide set. Rolls to the right. Hit on the throw. He caught it. He's brought down in the open field.
Makes the reception. That's a gain of 2 on the play. That makes it 2nd and 8.
Larry. Mike 13. Mike 13. Here we go, D. Here we go.
And he's got it. They'll bring him down at the 36-yard line.
You obviously have to worry about him as a ball carrier, but he showed here that you have to be concerned about him as a receiver as well. He's got good hands, and you know he's good in the open field.
1st down, 10 yards to go. Ball on the 36.
20. Keep 15. Keep 15. Go. Sit down.
And they make the stop around the 23-yard line.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Dugs. Let's fucking go.
And he's tackled right away.
Very solid gain through the air. I'm impressed with the poise of this quarterback and the ability of the receiver to keep his concentration and get his hands on the football.
They won't guard the middle of the field. I'm going to keep running the play until they guard it. I'm going to keep running the play until they guard it. Ricky Squeaks in the middle of the field all day. They didn't guard it. They won't guard it. Ricky Squeaks, they won't guard it. That's how you
He's
do it.
making his presence felt
Ricky
with
Squeaks,
3
middle of the
catches for
field,
score.
money,
This
money,
running back
money,
has all the
money.
tools, speed, soft hands, and agility.
Slant
His
till you
ability to
can't.
catch the
I
ball
love
makes
that.
it
I
nearly
love that.
impossible
Slant
for
till you
defenses
can't.
to stop him.
I know, I'm watching the clock. I'm watching the clock. I'm watching the clock. Believe me, I'm watching the clock.
A little more than 2 minutes to go in the 4th quarter. And he's hit before he can go anywhere. First and 10. Ball on the 26.
They'll spread the field here. Let's see what the defense does with a 5-wide outlook.
Dog 4, green 15.
Keeps his eye on it, makes the catch. And down he goes at the 14-yard line.
Clock.
First and 10. Ball on the 14. They come out in an empty backfield.
Red 2, green 8.
Can't
They'll
run
get
the
him for a
ball.
loss.
This guy's out of his stance so quickly that he's really a nightmare to try to block. They found out right
Baylor
here on
didn't
this
call
play.
timeout. Wow.
It's second and 12. Ball on the 16-yard line. Just over a minute in the fourth quarter.
Dog 4, red 7, red 7.
No!
And that just might do it.
No!
Intercepted.
No! Why did I throw that?
Oh, no, they really didn't need that.
And as a quarterback, you can't give up an interception late in the game. You got to be more careful with the football.